Okay, so I found this masked hunter assassin bug crawled under my door yesterday. I read online that they like to eat bed bugs, and since I don't have any bed bugs, they also like earwigs. So I thought I'll drop him off on my corn, and maybe if there's any earwigs in there, he can eat them. Okay, so I read that they can give you a pretty bad bite because they kill their prey by stabbing it repeatedly with a beak that they have. So I'm going to attempt to do this carefully. Don't want to make him mad. Maybe. Get out, little fella. There we go. Now maybe he can find and eat an earwig.